Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deeper into the Ionic Design Kit and its revolutionary impact on app development. It's making waves by simplifying the process for both designers and developers. So let's jump right in. On the left side of your screen, we're diving into coding using official Ionic guides. In the middle, check out our app designs, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. Meanwhile, on the right side, a phone emulator displays the live outcomes of our coding work. Don't hesitate to pause the video to explore everything in detail on your own. To kick things off, imagine the Ionic Design Kit as your app development's magic wand. Loaded with ready-to-use elements, it's a dream come true for designers who dread the thought of starting from scratch for every new component needed. And for the developers watching, say goodbye to the nightmare of complex coding. With every component sourced directly from the Ionic framework, your development journey just got a whole lot smoother and quicker. Today's spotlight is on the file upload screen, a key element for apps requiring users to upload content like photos or documents. An ideal file upload screen is user-friendly, displays upload progress, and celebrates the upload success. It should also offer management options for the uploaded files. With the Ionic Design Kit, crafting a top-notch file upload screen is no longer a daunting task. The kit, powered by the Ionic framework's comprehensive library, ensures a hassle-free integration of this essential feature. Developers, make sure to visit our website for a step-by-step guide and all the code snippets to bring this to life. Thanks for tuning in. Keep an eye out for our upcoming series. Happy coding and cheers to creating fantastic apps with ease.